Hi, this is Misha Kim from MathWorks Germany, and this is the MATLAB and Simulink Racing Lounge. In this presentation, we will show you how to generate documentation right out of your MATLAB code and without the need for any MATLAB and Simulink report generator toolboxes. For this, I introduce today's speaker, Christoph Hahn.
Thank you, Misha. Hello, everybody, and let's get started. Do you need to write a documentation of your MATLAB code, or do you want to share your simulation results with your team? The publishing functionality in MATLAB generates documentation straight out of MATLAB in different output formats such as HTML, XML, LaTeX, Word documents, PowerPoints, or PDFs. I will show you in a short demo how to use that functionality. Therefore, I'm opening a script which calculates the movement of a suspension. It's basically solving a ordinary differential equation and then plotting the results. Here we see the script. It's a MATLAB function called suspension underline none, and publishing is as easy as going to the publish section and then hit the publish button. What MATLAB will do, it will create an HTML report as a default that includes all the code that we can see here, and additionally 4 plots are generated as it is specified in the script. So this is just the basic functionality, and in another example I want to show you how you can influence the layout and the style of your report. Therefore, I am opening another script. This script has basically the same functionality as the previous one, but with some additional layout and some comments. You can see the comments in the script here by the green color, and you can create them using the percentage sign. And you will also recognize some markup text. For example, you can create a title by using double the percentage sign. In line 11, I have implemented a formula in LaTeX format. Lines 15 to 18 are a list of bullet points, which can be specified by the asterisk command. And if we go a bit further down, we can see that we can also implement an image to the report. I will show you how this will look like by again hitting the publish button, and by putting the script and the report next to each other, we see that all the markup text here is nicely taken to the report. What we haven't done so far is included the plots. This can be easily specified either in the script. In the script, we have seen that we have a loop. The script is basically a function, as we've already seen. What we can do, we can specify the number of loops, so the number of plots that the script will create by specifying n loop. And what we see here is in each loop the damping coefficient b is reduced by dividing it by 2. So what we can do now is go to the edit publishing options, and in that menu we can specify a lot of things. What we can do, we can say we want to have 3 plots with different damping coefficient, but we can also say that we want to have it in a different format. For example, in that case we take the PDF format. We can also save that setting, and this setting is always attached to the MATLAB file, so whenever you open it you have access to the settings. You can save more than one setting. This gives you a big freedom in creating your reports. And what we are going to do now is just to publish this report again in PDF format. We see the PDF report already here. It's a nice format. It has all the hyperlinks. It has all the functionality that a good PDF should have. And if we scroll down, we see our 3 plots that we have specified. So for those of you who like to create the documentation directly from the command window, this is also possible by using the publish command. You have to specify some relevant information such as the model name, the desired format, and whether you want to show code or not. And by just hitting enter, We have a report created again. It's the HTML report in that folder. And here we go. So we see just our 4 plots without the code. And this brings me right away to the key takeaways of today's session. It's very easy to create a documentation of your MATLAB scripts by using the publish function. You can create various output formats and you can influence the layout of your documentation as well. You can create those documentation from the GUI or from the MATLAB command window. And for more advanced publishing, I recommend to use the MATLAB report generator. And last but not least, a summary of all that I've been talking about today, a complete list of links, and all the models are attached. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
Well, thank you, Christoph, for this presentation.
No worries, welcome.
A couple of final remarks. Please do take advantage of our complimentary software offer for Formula student teams. And if you do use our software, we would appreciate if you could put our logo on your team website to reflect our role as sponsor for Formula Student. If you have any questions, please use our MATLAB Answers online platform or contact us via email. This concludes today's Racing Lounge. Thanks very much for watching and bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.